future has been a part of our journey that we started decades ago. Strengthening our passion, our purpose and direction are embedded in the 1960s, the inception of our passion. Be it the bare dwellings of the past or the giant buildings of today, building shelter has always been a common need of the human race. People have built skyscrapers and the world's tallest buildings, challenging the skies, shaping the future of their lives on a spine of steel and rebars. Our passion is to shape steel and buildings. Our aim is to shape rebars, bend rebars, cut rebars, produce the machines that help us achieve this and raise the human race into the future. We promise to innovate, to constantly evolve, to move ahead with new technologies. We are manufacturers. We're inventors of a new era. We are solution providers. We do not bow to obstacles. We are not limited by boundaries. We will pursue our dreams and our passions. This is the spirit of GÖÇMAKSAN. We will keep moving on, shaping rebars, shaping our passion, raising the future with us.